In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Jira. If you want your team communication and project tracking to work more smoothly together, connecting Slack to Jira is a great place to start. This integration makes it easier to keep conversations, updates, and task visibility aligned, so you can move between collaboration and issue management with less friction. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Jira and how to begin the connection to Slack. Start by opening your Jira project. Once you're inside the project view, look for the three-dot menu next to the project name. This menu usually contains additional project options that aren't shown directly on the main screen. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the dropdown. From that menu, select Space Settings. This is where Jira stores a variety of project-level configuration options, including settings related to integrations and connected tools. If you don't immediately recognize the page, that's normal. Just stay focused on the left-hand navigation or settings area. Next, click Apps. This section is where Jira lists available app-related options for the current project or space. Since Slack is being connected as an integration, this is the part of the interface where you'll find what you need. Once you're in the Apps section, click Slack Integration. That will open the setup area specifically for connecting Jira with Slack. This page is designed to help you manage the connection and begin linking your workspace. Now, click Connect to Slack. This is the point where Jira starts the authorization process. In most cases, this opens a Slack sign-in or permission screen, either in the same window or in a pop-up, depending on your browser settings. If nothing appears right away, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes interrupt the setup flow. After that, enter your Slack account information to continue. Make sure you sign in with the correct Slack workspace account that you want connected to Jira. If your organization uses multiple Slack workspaces, take an extra moment here to confirm you're selecting the right one before moving forward. That helps avoid reconnecting everything later. And that's the basic process for starting a Slack and Jira integration. Once the connection is in place, you'll be able to continue with any permissions or workspace confirmations that Slack and Jira require. Following these steps carefully helps ensure the integration starts cleanly and is ready for your team to use.